Hello children, welcome to geography class. Chapter 1 Earth, our living planet, Unit 2. In the last class, we learnt that the Earth is a unique planet as it is the only planet has living beings. Earth has different names. We also learnt the shape and size of the Earth. We too studied the definitions and the differences between latitude and longitude. In today's class, let us learn about relations between longitude and time, local time, standard time, and international date line. Is there any relation between longitude and time? How much time does the Earth take to rotate once on its axis? Or how many longitudes are drawn on the Earth? How many longitudes could be crossed in an hour? Yes, Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once on its axis. There are 360 longitude lines are drawn on the Earth. And 15 longitude lines could be crossed in an hour. If it takes 24 hours to cross 360 longitude, then how many longitudes could be crossed for every hour? So here you have to do the mathematics. 360 divided by 24 and you get the answer 15 longitudes. If it takes 60 minutes to cross 15 longitudes, then how much time is required to cross every longitude? Once again, you have to divide 60 divided by 15 and you get the answer 4 minutes. The Earth requires 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. This means to complete 360 longitudes, the Earth takes 24 hours. Therefore, the time difference for every 1 degree of longitude is 4 minutes. One hour or 60 minutes for every 15 longitudes. While traveling from west to east, the time increases. EGA, that is the east gain add, that is addition. While traveling from east to west, the line decreases. There is a WLS, west, lose, subtract. See the arrow mark which show the direction of east and west. Here, you must pause the video for a while and observe the longitude lines mentioned on top and the time variation mentioned in the bottom. You observe from the Greenwich, that is 0 degree latitude. As you move towards east, time decreases. And as you go back, then you can see the time decreases. Let us study what is local time. Sun rays fall vertically on every longitude and all places situated on the longitude will have the same time, that is at 12 noon. This is called local time. The local time of a place is to be said on the basis of the longitude of that particular place. Just observe the picture. Earth part which faces the sun directly is at 12 noon and the other side of it is midnight. Between these two, you can see dawn, it's the early morning, and dusk, that is a dark stage of night. Every longitude has its own local time. Here you must pause the video and read. Then you will understand why this change had taken place. Standard time. The time based on the central meridian of a country is followed by that whole country. It is called a standard time. In India, 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as the central meridian line or India's standard time. In India, 82.5 degree east longitude passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT, that is a Greenwich Meridian time. Just observe the map. Brown line drawn on Greenwich. From there to India, 5 vertical lines are drawn. From one line to another line, it takes 1 hour. Since it is 5.5 lines, totally it takes 5.5 hours. Time zone. In certain countries, the longitudinal extent is so large that they have more than 45 longitudes. There is often a difference of 3 to 4 hours time between one part and the other part. In such countries, they can't follow a single time. So, the whole country is divided into time zones. For example, Russia has 11 time zones. USA and Canada have 5 time zones. And Australia has 3 time zones. International date line. 180-degree meridian, that is diametrically opposite to 0 degree, that is a GMT, is accepted as international date line. But this line makes short detours, that is a reducing long route in order to avoid land masses, so that there should not be two dates in a same country or landmass. While circumnavigating, that's the sail all the way around the world by a plane or ship, a new problem of time and a date arose. The line fixed to solve this problem is known as International Date Line, that is a IDL. This IDL 180 degree is opposite to GMT, that is a 0 degree. The passengers crossing this line by ship or aeroplane have to change date and day. While marking longitudes, it was important to mark 180 degree first, because it was going to be the IDL. But this line was supposed to mark in uninhabited, that is a not residential place. So it was decided to mark it in the Pacific Ocean. Opposite to this 0 degree longitude was marked. Thus, before 0 degree longitude, 180 degree longitude was marked. As there is no uninhabited area, IDL was marked in zigzag way. It's not straight. You can see the line, 180 degree line. It is not a straight. Any ship crossing this line from west, maybe from Asia to North America, that is it, from west to east, earns a day. If it is a Monday in Asia and it is a Sunday in America, any ship crossing this line from east to west, that is a North America to Asia, it loses a day. If it is a Sunday in America, it is a Monday in Asia. Hope you have understood this chapter thoroughly. Shall we evaluate ourselves? Yes, children. I would like to ask you a few questions. Think and answer to my question. First question is, what is the difference between local time and standard time? Can you tell me the answer? Recall it. Okay, I'll say the answer. Listen to it. The time according to the longitude of a place or according to the position of the sun at that place is known as the local time. A uniform time is based on the central meridian of the country or the meridian on which the most important city is located. This uniform time, which is followed throughout a country, is called standard time of that country. I would like to ask you one more question. Is a fill up the blanks. Can you fill it? The Indian standard time is based on dash east longitude. The answer is 82.5 degree east longitude. Children, note down the homework. The question is like this. Briefly explain the international date line. Refer your textbook. Read the whole thing and briefly write it. Shall we wind up? Yes, children. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe.